lying between 1 to n square means if the size is 2, then the number lying between 1 to 4, the 2 square is 4, and each number appear exactly once except a, which appears twice. Here is a number which is existing twice, so you just have to find the repeating value and also the missing value in a grid. Okay, so let's take an example of a grid. Here is a 2D vector is given 1 3 2 2. Okay, so the repeating value is 2. First you have to add the repeating value and then the missing value, and the missing value is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So you have to return 2 and 4. In the same way you just have to check for this also, which number is missing and which number is repeating. So the 9 is repeating 2 times, so first you have to return 9 and then the missing value. After that you will have to return the missing value. So let's do this. Int n equals to grid dot size. This will store the size of an grid, and then vector int frequency, which will store the n cross n plus 1 comma 0. Okay, I created a vector frequency which is size of n cross n plus 1 and all the element is initially 0, and then I will traverse for auto ampersand row and then grid for auto ampersand column row and then frequency, and then you just have to do frequency of column plus plus. Okay, and again vector int answer, in which you have to do 2 comma 0, because this will answer will store only two element, which is first is missing and another is repeating. So let's do this. For int I equals to 0, i less than equals to n cross n, and then I plus plus. You have to do if frequency of I is equals to 2, then you just have to do answer of 0 equals to I, else if you have to do frequency of I is equals to 0, then answer of 1 equals to I. Okay, and after this function, you just after this for loop, you just have to return answer vector. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, the spelling is wrong of else. Let's again run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.